extinguish while burning cash. The chart is a slow bleed, a red flag that investors are losing faith. This section is heavy on companies that are speculative but grounded in real products or interesting tech. Still, proceed with caution. Welcome to the high-risk, high-reward corner of the market. These are the lottery tickets. THAR, Therammune, a clinical-stage biotech focused on liver diseases. Its value is tied entirely to the hope of successful trials. CAPS, Capricor Therapeutics, working on Duchenne and heart conditions. Orphan drugs may get faster tracks, but the risk remains immense. These companies burn through cash and often fund research by selling stock, diluting you. If a lead candidate fails in phase 3, a stock can lose 80% in a day. This is not for the faint of heart, a resounding no for most investors. IPDN, Professional Diversity Network, a feel-good social impact business that struggles to compete with giants. Move wants to compete with Apple and Oura, like a high school basketball team versus the Warriors. You need billions for marketing and R&D to win in wearables. NUKK, Nucleus, in the crypto space, the wild west of finance with extreme volatility. VIVS, Inc., serves as a ghost of Christmas future. Bankruptcy can wipe shareholders out. This is what can happen when you bet on speculative names. These plays belong to professional biotech speculators or deep-pocketed venture investors, not most retail accounts. If you can't afford a total loss, stay out. These are lottery tickets, not core holdings. Alright, we've been through the jungle, and we've seen the beasts big and small. Now it's time to make some sense of it all. Beginner zone. Regional banks like ZNB and FMFC, real businesses tied to the US economy. Not get rich quick, but unlikely to go to zero. HTCR, a profitable, growing software company, a reasonable look for investors wanting growth with modest risk. These are your safest bets in a wild bunch. Now let's talk about the danger zone. Pre-revenue, clinical stage biotech companies, CGTX, NXL, THAR, CAPS, HCWB, RLMD, IFRX, are not investments, they are speculations on experiments. The odds are overwhelmingly against you. Also, in the danger zone, open door, the business model is under severe stress. The SPACs, OSRH, NXT, blind bets. I wouldn't recommend them. Microcap dreamers like Move and IPDN, stay away unless you really understand the risks. Investing isn't a game. Know the rules. The stocks we talked about today live in the riskiest corners of the market. Before buying speculative names, build a foundation of high-quality, profitable blue-chip companies. These speculative plays should only ever be a tiny fraction of your portfolio. Money you can truly afford to lose. Always do your own research. Read the reports, listen to the calls, be smart, be patient, and have the courage of your convictions. Now go do your homework.